We are getting some serious rain this morning. It's a little unusual to be getting rain this late in the year, but we can't complain. I want to finish up my dumbbell box, put the new casters on it, and then figure out what I'm going to be needing for that weight bench. I really love the simplicity of this design, and you know, after looking through it, I don't think there's really anything I need to change. I already have the plywood and these boards here I should be able to find pretty easily, and I just made up a hardware list. So just gonna go with this design. I'm hoping these casters work out a little bit better. For one thing, they've got rubber wheels instead of those plastic ones, so they should grip this concrete floor a little bit better. And they're a little bit bigger and hopefully a little more heavy duty. Okay, that already feels a lot better. Okay, now we're in business, and the only other thing I decided to do is I decided to remove those latches on there because they're not really needed. It's not like I'm gonna pick this entire box up, and it's just easier to pull this off and then just set it down in, you know, either this direction or wherever it happens to be. I don't have to worry about those latches. I also removed that weather stripping. I don't think that was really helping that much, so I think I'm good to go. Oh, and one other thing about removing those latches is now they don't hang down. So if I want to use this, you know, as some sort of a box like this. So I'm just gonna keep this right there. Well, there is one thing I'm gonna have to change about those plans, and that's I'm gonna have to glue a couple of 2x4s together to make up a 4x4. I always have a really hard time finding dry 4x4s because they're usually intended as outdoor posts and they're green and they don't really work well for indoor projects. So whenever you're looking for wood at the home center, look for KDHT that's kiln dried and heat treated. Here's the 2x4 and you'll see the same thing on there because most of the 2x4s are green 2x4s. And you'll know green 2x4s because they're a lot heavier and you can a lot of times just feel they're just wet, and they'll just cause a world of problems if you try to build any woodworking project with them. They'll shrink, they'll twist. And both of these boards are starting out pretty twisted. It'll help once I get these glued together, it'll help kind of straighten them up. And plus I'm only going to use, you know, a portion of it. So hopefully that twist won't make too big of a deal. I'll see if I can keep these from sliding around while I clamp it by putting a couple screws in the ends. Okay, I think that ought to do the trick. I just need to let that dry for a while. Oh man, do I hate this gob of wires. On the plus side, this was a good chance for me to vacuum out my computer, which was just filled with dust. Wow, it took me like 2 hours to get everything back in there, but it's actually perfect. It's working out so good. In fact, even a happy accident, I have enough room in here for my Chromebook and it can stay charged because I've got outlets in the back, plenty of room for paper, and of course my CPU fits in right here. Not a CPU, people were correcting me on that. It's a tower, there's a CPU in it. And I've got all my hard drives way back there, completely out of sight, and then they just hook right into the computer in the back. And some people were asking me if I'm able to get to the ink with it in here, and yeah, I accounted for that when I designed this, so that can lift up like that, and then back down. So it seems to be coming along. Notice how neat and tidy my desk is compared to my wife's desk. And then we've got the writing desk over here. I still need to decide what to do with that. I'd like to get it out of here. It just takes up too much space. Bubbles, what are you doing? So I also got to decide what to do with this old dictionary stand. And one thing I was able to do is I was able to eliminate some of the cords there by getting rid of these speakers, because I never used the speakers. I always just used the headphones. I thought you guys might be interested in seeing this piece. I made this probably back in 2005, 2004, pre-YouTube days, but this is the dictionary stand. So a dictionary, a big dictionary would just be opened up here, and it's more of a decorative piece than anything. So I made this all out of oak, except the legs that I turned out of poplar. I tried to match the color of the stain, and I didn't really do a very good job of staining that poplar. I've never been happy with that. So I'll show you that mechanism here, how that works. It's just kind of a ratchet system. This is just a hinge on there, and this board like catches in any of those notches there. And then of course you've got hidden storage under here. So that's just one more old piece of furniture that I gotta figure out what to do with as I'm trying to purge my life of things that I don't need any longer. All right, I'll cut that down to size tomorrow. Now I want to make some 2x2s just by gluing together 2 of these 1x3s. Well, I might as well just leave that to dry overnight, and then I'll attack this all in the morning. Once again, woodworking proves to just be on a time schedule of its own. Just when I think I can really dig into something, outside forces take control. But at least I did get the printer stand in place, even if I wasn't expecting that to pretty much take half the day. And of course I replaced that in my shop with that old dictionary stand. So all I did was just swap one thing for another. Anyways, it's Sunday afternoon. Hope to get a lot more accomplished tomorrow. It's a brand new week.